Hey, you got Lanai and Bruce. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to give you some tips on how to get to Hawaii for testing. When you come to Hawaii right now, you need the COVID test. So you have to do it within 72 hours, and you have to do it with a trusted partner.
That's step number one.
Yes.
You got to get a trusted travel partner. I think this is the biggest thing people are missing. You just can't go to your regular doctor. You just can't walk into...
Where do they go to get that info?
All that information is on the Hawaii.gov site, and you can also see it on hawaii-aloha.com. We'll have it right here. You can see it right here. The next thing is upload your negative results once you get them to the travel website.
Yeah, so you get the travel website on the state website.
Right.
Or the travel app, I should say,
Yeah.
on the state website. And we'll put that here below as well, so
Right.
you can just click on it. It's pretty
really
easy.
3 things that you got to
Yeah.
do. And finally, you got to fill out the questionnaire. That's a separate thing online you fill out. It's a little questionnaire.
Do it before you get to the airport.
Yeah, that's the next step, is to do
Yeah.
that within 24 hours of your flight. And then once you do that, you get this magic QR code, which is going to make you safe forever while you're
And
here.
they won't bother you when you land. So make sure you do all of that before you come to Hawaii, because we want to keep this place safe for the locals as well, and safe for you. Thanks for joining us. Any comments, please leave them below. Any questions, let us know. Leave it below. Mahalo for joining us.